Hi, my name is Javier Cienfuegos, class of 2018. I'm a computer science and mathematics major. This summer, the summer of 2016, I interned as a software engineer within the software adoption team. The company I work for is Mentor Graphics, and it is one of the top electrical design or EDA corporation. Our team's main product line involves the Mentor Graphics EDA software, which includes the schematic designer, the printed board circuit board designer, and the library manager. Our focus this summer was on the library manager tool, the advanced library editor, used by electrical engineers and PCB designers to manage parts, symbols, and other items that are needed for the implementation. Its purpose is to automate changes to a large quantity of items and export various reports. For example, if I want to change the case of the part names to lowercase, then I can simply select multiple parts to apply these changes to without having to manually change them. Credits to Jeremy Parker, the original software developer of Advanced Library Editor. My extension of AOE involved debugging all functionalities and adding a BOM coverage report capability. A BOM is a list of parts included in a design project. These are typically exported via an Excel spreadsheet. The purpose of BOM coverage is to report how many parts from the library are included in the BOM report. The biggest challenge in implementing this function was convincing my peers that we cannot assume that the BOM does not contain duplicates. At last, my opinion overtook and the assumption was put to rest. The most interesting part of the implementation was getting to design a multi-threaded function, which I yet to learn its theoretical foundation. Here I will show a video of Advanced Library Editor. First we connect to a library file, and next I'll show the actual tool that we use, which is called XDM Library Tools, and it contains all the parts in the database. So I will show you a few options that we have in File. We have OpenLMC, we have a log file viewer. In Symbol, we have rename symbols, reset symbols, and a couple of report files. And then in parts, we have build PDB, heal PDB, prune parts, swap cells, and the report file. And then we have in cells, we can change the text file, modify attributes, and a couple of report functionalities. And the other, we have PassText, the batch PassText editor. And in parts, the function that I added was BOM coverage. So here in BOM coverage, we select the BOM file. It's typically an Excel spreadsheet. Here we choose schematic 1. The spreadsheet is open to see that the part number column is A. So we ignore the header row, choose schematic 1, part number A, and then we click read. So then we get a report log. Press yes to view the log, and here it shows the parts found for that particular BOM coverage file. So we got the parts found and the parts not found. That is a very huge list of parts not found in the library data. Along with the implementation, documentation is critical in order for users to have a reference guide on how to use the BOM coverage functionality. Although the user interface is relatively simple, proper documentation must be made with clear instructions. The documentation must be able to explain the purpose of the functionality. In this case, the summary reads, "This command allows users to make a comparative analysis between the bill of materials and the corresponding library data. Specifically, this functionality compares the part numbers and generates a report listing the various parts from the library that were found in the BOM and the parts that were not found in the BOM." Thanks to all my sponsors, supervisors, and Berea College for the great opportunity. For more information, contact me at cienfuegosj@berea.edu. Thank you.